Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will be playing Car Simulator 2, which is this game I think you've played. Yeah, this is very famous. So today we will be driving the the fastest cars. So let's begin. I'm with my Honda Civic, and let's start. They say I'm pretty fast, man. I want fastest cars too. Yeah. Yeah. So we'll be driving Koenigsegg. Koenigsegg, yes. And let's go. Bro, I'm driving so perfect, man. Yeah. Okay. Oh, 108 kilometers, man. I think I will. Yeah. Um. Yes. Oh yeah, bro, I'm getting in so perfect, man. Yo, this is getting better and better. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. Funny. Okay, there's connection, but I need to see another car too, like this BMW M5 E60. And yeah, the Supra, this and Benz, BMW i8. There's more Porsche over there, but I don't need. What should I do? I'll just drive the Koenigsegg, man. This is super fast and fun. Action. Well, not the ads again, man. Oh, okay. Yeah. Whoa, man. Pretty fast. Let's go. Whoa, chill, man. Chill, man. Oh, yeah. Now I need to go to the racing track. Whoa, hey, yo, whoa. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Oh man, bro, I'm driving so fast. Bro, I told you guys this is fast. Wait, I have to pass. I have to do something. Wait. Real quick. Oh, okay. Now let's begin again, and we're going to the racing track. Whoa. Oh, wow, man. Let's go up. Okay. Wait, bro, why are they showing the ocean? Bro, what? Well, there's not even ocean, man. Okay. Can't understand. Bro, look, there's nothing. I mean, there's ocean under it, but bro, what? Okay, let's just drive it super fast, like 300 kilometers. Yeah, bro. Have to get. We don't get. I want a fast car, so I would drive it on my own. Oh, yeah, okay. Bro, this is pretty cool, not gonna lie. Bro, I'm in 40 top speed, man. Bro, 340, man. Holy sh. Oh, I think this is kind of sick. Yeah, okay. Okay. Yes. Oh, this is so fast. Oh, man, bro. Holy dude, man. Oh, where am I even going? I don't think so. Yeah. Let the. Yeah. Well, I mean, ball went so perfect. Wait, wow, already near. Oh, shoot. We'll be in just there 1 second, bro. No, man. Minus 99 over. 999 million minus over, man. Not gonna speed up now. It's gonna be again. My aura's coming back. Okay. Whoa. Oh, imagine going on 320 kilometers per hour, man, on this bridge. Oh, my man. Yeah, your boy is sick, man. Give me, let's just, let's also go there. And, this is a long video, not gonna lie. Oh man, bro, I failed. Bro, do you know how fast was I there? I don't even know, man. Like, bro. Oh, how fast am I?